Oh my god, Peller went off guard as he won the 2024 Influencer Award and even got a surprise kiss from Jarvis. This has got the internet already trending this too, and in short, I don't even know how to put it together. But they'll make an amazing couple, I guess so. So he's won this award and there are many more awards to come his way. Please subscribe to the channel, stay tuned. God bless you all. I love you guys.
Are you sure you don't want to hug Queen Acosta right now? When I have 40 Queen! No bad watching! Okay.
So this is love.